Charlie Cushane here to do another laser alignment video for my truck camper. Now this will be the second one I did. The first one I did about 10-12 years ago, and I've used it every time I've aligned my camper and it worked great. However, I got a new F550 and things have changed and I need a new system. So let me tell you how we're going to do it. Okay, with my old F350, it had a shorter cab and a bigger back window. So I could slide the back window open and the laser went down the middle of my truck. I lined up perfect every time. I loved it. However, I got my new F550 and the back window is a little smaller. It's heavily tinted and the cab seems longer and the driver's seat's taller. So I have a hard time seeing around the seat and out the window and up high enough to see the laser alignment. I've done it a few times and it's okay, but it's not something I want to do long term. So I'm going to do a new laser alignment system that you can sit in the driver's seat of the truck, look out your driver's side view mirror, and it will line you right up with new targets. And this is the new laser I have. It's a green one and works great. So we're going to put this together and I'll show you how it's going to work. Okay, I'm trying to do my first laser test on different types of targets. And what you see way down here is a vinyl sticker with black and white on it that I could stick and have as a target, or this green laser reflector that's designed for green lasers and should work better. So let's take a look at different distances. Right now, as you can see way back here, I can start to see the green reflective target. As you get something like this, much better. As you can see, I'll wiggle it. See it? You going closer. It's much more visible on that target, and I'll make my targets out of that because it's definitely easier to see, especially since I'm going to be looking out at my rear view mirror. So that target works really well. All right, now it's time to cut this to length. I'm going to go 1 inch to the end of the reflective tape there, and then another inch here, and it'll give me a 2-inch target that I can put on my camper. But I have to cut off this magnet. I can't use it, so I'm cutting it off. And there's our nice target. Okay, time to put the targets on the camper. And then this front leading edge, I know I have to be 9 7/8 right here. That's where the center of the laser line needs to be. I took my targets and I put a piece of double back tape on, this 3M VHB outdoor grade. Peel it off and then line it up. Push it on. Now let's do another 9 7/8 down at the other end of the camper. Put a mark right here. We take my target, peel the tape off the back, and stick it on. There we go. That gives you my 2 targets. You may ask, where did the 9 7/8 come from? Let me show you. Okay, the first dimension I need to determine that 9 7/8 you saw was I'm going to aim the laser, as you see here, right down my bed rail. And there's these caps, and the outer edge of this cap lines up in 3 spots. And if you measure across, it's 68.25 to the actual spacing between these caps, 68.25. So that's where I get this first dimension, 68.25. Okay, the second measurement we need is the distance across our camper. And I measure here as 48.5. And then I double check down here, 48.5. So that's how I came out with this number, 48.5 for the camper. It's a spacing of the actual camper in the bed. Let's figure out how I get to 9.875. And it takes a little bit of math. This is a sketch. This is my truck, all right, with the rails. This is my target line. There, I'm aiming my laser down, and that's at 68.25, as you saw how I measured. Then I measured the camper, and it comes down, and it's 48.5. All right. So if you take the 68.25 minus 48.5, divide it by 2, you'll get this dimension, 9 7/8 from there to there. And that's where I put my targets. So now you know how I got the 9.875. It took a little bit of math, but it makes sense, and it'll keep it perfectly centered going down the camper and aligning them. Perfect. To make our new laser mount that you see here, it took a couple of components. I had to take, first off, a GoPro mount with an adhesive bottom that's rather large and a screw on top to mount the laser. As you see, this goes like this, then this goes in here, right? And the laser screws on top. However, after I was done, this would stay on the truck, on the bed rail, because it'd be adhesive down in location. So what I decided to do is I bought basically it's a small cosmetic jar, plastic, and I drilled a 1 3/8 inch hole in here and glued it down. And what you got was this. You see, it's glued down. I put some epoxy on there. And then when I want to use the laser, I just put this on, screw it on, and I'm good to go. However, when it's just sitting on my truck for weeks on end, I take this jar, screw it on. Now it's completely sealed. So the next thing I have to do is stick it down with this double back tape. So let's go do that. I've mounted the laser to the bed rail, and the beam goes straight across these targets that I was aiming at. Right on the edge of these holes that sets my spacing. So I have it mounted now right down to the bed rail. Okay, I've removed the laser, and to make sure it's mounted down good, I'm going to put my cover on and put a heavy weight. That's a 2-pound hammer. And we're going to let that stick so the adhesive really has a chance to stick. Okay, today's the day I line up my truck and camper and put them together. And as you see, I have the laser mounted on my holder, and the line goes down the bed, and I made a target, as you see right here. It's a target that could tell the laser's lined up, and this is where I am right now. I haven't started lining up yet. I'm off, but I'm going to straighten that out as I start backing up. That's it. Let me double check. All right. Here's an update, close-up look. We're lined up there. I mean, we're proud to be within a quarter of an inch. In the back, and my target is still lined up. So I should be perfect everywhere. Now I just lower it down. Okay, time to lower it down. We're nicely lined up. The laser was not in the way of anything or the target, and I can just take the laser off and put it away, and I'll put my cover on to keep that nice and clean. Perfect. And there is my target to make sure I'm lined up. And I can put that away for the next time I need to line up. That system was way better than my old system as far as ease of use, and I could do it by looking out of the side view mirror.